Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to check WhatsApp chat backup on iCloud. Firstly, launch the WhatsApp app on your iPhone, then tap the settings icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. In settings, tap chats, then select chat backup, and here you'll see key details about your WhatsApp backup, including last backup date and time, backup size, and include videos. If the last backup shows a recent date, your chats are safely stored on iCloud. Now, to confirm that your backup exists on iCloud, open your iPhone settings. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen, then select iCloud, manage account storage, then backups. Choose your device name from the list, and from here you can view which apps are using iCloud storage, including WhatsApp. If WhatsApp appears in the list, it means it's actively using iCloud for chat backups. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.